Good day. This is weather. I'm in Kjalarnes, which belongs to Reykjavik. And temperature is about 11 degrees. It's hot. And the wind is up to 6 meters per second, maybe 7.